This is a video which will help you decide whether you need a healthcare directive or a financial power of attorney, or like most people, whether you need both. As you know, the coronavirus or COVID-19 has almost immediate effect upon your health and ability to do things. So you need to have these in place prior to becoming ill from the virus. To get a healthcare directive, go to www.expresslegalforms.com. A healthcare directive, it's a document where you set forth your wishes for healthcare to protect yourself if you become able to make medical decisions. The coronavirus update, you can get these updates or on the news every day or on the web. This COVID-19 is something they still don't have a handle on and don't know how to cure it. So you have to take precautions for not only for yourself but for your family. As you know, if something happens to you, your assets are siphoned off into taxes and probate fees and other expenses, and only what's left goes to your heirs and beneficiaries. Now, there's certain ways to protect yourself from horrendous probate fees, and that'll be covered in another video. A main thing that you may want to consider, which can be done relatively simply, is what they call a transfer and death deed, and it takes effect only when you die. You can change it. It costs very little. It's not like one of these full-blown trusts or wills, and very inexpensive. It's sometimes called a poor man's trust. We also have that on expresslegalforms.com. Not everybody is eligible for that because only certain states allow it. If you need a financial power of attorney, you can give a trusted person authority to handle your finances and property if you become incapacitated and unable to handle your own affairs. And that's what happens relatively quickly in many cases when you catch the virus. Remember, too many people don't plan ahead. Individuals put off estate planning because they think they don't own enough, or they're not old enough. They're busy or think they have plenty of time. In this day and age, you don't have that time. You don't have that luxury of time. If you don't think you can afford a complex estate plan now, start with what you can afford, and that is the healthcare directive and the financial power of attorney. You can always add the other things later on. Remember, a medical care directive spells out your wishes for medical care if you become unable to make those decisions yourself. You can give a trusted person medical power of attorney for your health care, giving that person the authority to make decisions if you can't. A durable financial power of attorney allows someone else to manage your financial affairs if you're medically unable to do so. Your designated agent, as directed in the document, can act on your behalf in legal and financial situations when you can't. This includes paying your bills and taxes, as well as assessing and managing your assets. Remember, that little virus floats around out there, so you must wear a mask and you must social distance. Do it for the others around you. Do it for your family. Do your power of attorneys for your financial affairs, and do a power of attorney for medical affairs. Thank you.